Hi, my name is Sivaganesh from Paramakudi. I have completed BTech IT from Kalasalingam University 2025 pass out. Now I am studying Qtree Technology, AWS and DevOps course. Now I explain my project. Go to project website. My project name is Turf Ground Booking. This is my project folder. Inside folder inside HTML file and CSS file is the Terraform project code main.df file to save my code. My project to run Terraform project. AWS using S3 and EC2 instance. Now run the block. As I run the code, go to git bash. To run the program, Terraform init, initialization, plan, configuration file, configuration file to deploy the resource. Now output is that I cannot use sync for EC2 instance public IP because Chrome firewall issue. Now I am using for S3 bucket URL. This is my turf booking platform. This is main page. To book any ground to click for like other game to click parking. Then if you want any game to click that side and at that side. Now to give mail ID. This is football rules you read and get verification you are playing game. Now you book this matter booking successfully. You got the mail and you enjoy the game. Return to home page. This is my platform project. Thank you.